Looking for a simple way to personalize your vehicle or brighten up your home or office? Our high-quality metal aluminum novelty license plates deliver just that. Sized at a universal 12 by 6, these plates fit any vehicle with 4 pre-drilled mounting holes, making installation quick and hassle-free. Plus, they're made right here in the USA, ensuring you get a product built to last. I've tried a few different novelty plates over the years, but these stand out for their durability and vibrant colors. The aluminum construction means they won't rust or fade, even after years on the road or displayed indoors. What's more, their standard size matches official license plates, so they fit perfectly whether you mount them on your car, truck, or even use suction cup hooks to showcase them on a window, refrigerator, or filing cabinet. It's an easy way to inject some personality wherever you want. If you're someone who appreciates quality and style without the fuss, these plates are worth a look. They come fully licensed, so you know you're getting an authentic product. Many customers rave about how true to the pictures they look and how well they hold up over time. Just remember, you might need a bracket for your vehicle, but mounting is straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled holes. Ready to add a splash of color and spirit to your ride or space? These aluminum novelty license plates offer a reliable, eye-catching solution that lasts. Try it when you're ready and see how a small detail can make a big difference.